Welcome back to the channel. Always a project. Again, you're familiar with that kind of project. Yes, this is a snowplow. This will be a snowplow for the Can-Am Defender HD10. I target to make a plow that would be 78 inches wide, just a little bit more than the width of that machine. The machine is 68 inches, so at least 72, most likely 78. This water heater was a donation from my father-in-law. He passed away last May, as you might know. So he prepared that for me, knowing that I had so many projects. I didn't know yet where I was going to use that water heater, but I kept it, and now I'm ready to do a project with that. So as we did before, Dave and I'm going to open it. I'm going to cut along just below the deformation point here. Same at the bottom. I save the top and bottom for later projects coming soon. That will be it. Stick around. Quick update, we're the next day, Christmas Day, December 25th. Yeah, it's warm outside. It's very, very unusual that we get such warm weather. I've got two pieces out of the tank heater. Okay. One is more than 50 inches, 50 and a quarter, and I target to make 78, so I need to join them. Last time I did that was with Mike for his snowplow, and this table is not perfectly straight. There's a bow on it, both bow. No, it's a little bit convex. So if I do weld them flat face on that table, I'm going to end up with a slight angle, and I have to fight that later on. So I'm going to install. So I've got those 2 by 2/4 of an inch angle iron, as you can see. So I'm going to lay the two pieces inside of those angle iron. I've got two. I'm going to lift the ends so I don't follow this curve, and from there I'm going to weld. I get this gap, which is not easy to fill with welding, especially in thin material like that. I'm going to correct that. I'm suspecting this one is the bad one. Especially that when I reverse this one, still the problem is going to use one of those angle irons to make the base of the plow. At the top, I would prefer to have a closed profile. And the reason why for the closed profile, what I mean closed profile, this is a different profile. So it's a tube, round tube, square tube, rectangle tube, whatever. You get some resistance to torsion. So I'll give you proof of that. Okay, what I'm going to do, this is a closed profile, 1/8. Not even 1/8, it's a 100,000 of an inch thick material, which is pretty much light. This one might be like twice heavier, 1/4 of an inch thick. Okay. Got a good view. Look at how easy this is to bend, flex. Yes. So it's not bending this way, neither this way. It's just flexing or torsion. Easy to make torsion out of that. Double up. No. Anyways. So whenever you do a plow, make sure to use at least one closed profile in it. Would it be at the base, at the top, doesn't matter. Well, I'll see you right after lunch. Looking good so far. I'm back. Next part is to fix this angle iron to the bottom of the curved plate. Okay, that's it. Upper part, bottom part is fixed. So, did I lie to you? That's some flex, huh? Yep. One detail I did forget to mention. So I have that closed profile, but I have to link that to the other one so that they work together. So whenever I'm going to close this, it's going to be very tight. So that's where I'll have to pay attention that the plow is really flat on the table. And this is why I do have those small tubes set. Next step is to remove some curve to that plow. It might look nice like that, but it's a little bit too curved to my liking. So whenever you get some wet snow, it's going to pack and just stick to that. Okay, I straightened the plow. Now I need to make that curve out of that kind of material, same as this one. It's quite easy to do when you have some tricks. I just don't know how I'm going to do that with the bandsaw, fixed bandsaw. I might revert back again to the handheld bandsaw. Anyways, I'm going to take a measurement here, increase the length to be able to do a little bit longer than what it's supposed to be. That was long. It took 45 minutes to cut that on the Okay,